Samsung Wallet versus GPay, which mobile payment app wins? Choosing the right mobile payment app can completely change how you manage transactions securely and conveniently without hassle. Samsung Wallet and GPay both offer unique features and benefits worth exploring. Samsung Wallet and GPay are two leading mobile payment apps designed to simplify digital transactions. The core difference lies in device compatibility and ecosystem integration, with Samsung Wallet tailored for Samsung users and GPay offering broader support across Android devices and Google services. Samsung Wallet is a mobile payment and digital wallet app designed specifically for Samsung devices. It securely stores payment cards, membership passes, and digital keys, allowing users to make contactless payments with ease. The app integrates deeply with Samsung's ecosystem, providing seamless access to Samsung Pay, Samsung Pass, and even Samsung Health data. Samsung Wallet uses tokenization to protect card details during transactions, enhancing security. Its strengths include tight integration with Samsung hardware features like fingerprint and iris scanning, and support for loyalty programs and transit cards. However, Samsung Wallet is limited to Samsung devices, which restricts its use for users with other Android brands or iPhones. Ideal users are Samsung smartphone owners who want a unified, secure wallet experience that leverages Samsung's proprietary technologies and services. GPay, or Google Pay, is a versatile mobile payment app available on all Android devices and iPhones, designed to simplify payments and money management. It allows users to add credit, debit, and loyalty cards, send money to contacts, and pay for purchases in stores and online. GPay integrates with Google services such as Gmail and Google Play, offering features like transaction tracking and personalized offers. It uses advanced security measures including tokenization and biometric authentication to keep payments safe. GPay's strengths lie in its broad compatibility, user-friendly interface, and integration with Google's ecosystem, making it accessible for a wide range of users. Limitations include less device-specific features compared to Samsung Wallet and occasional regional restrictions on certain services. Ideal users are those looking for a flexible cross-device payment solution that works across multiple platforms and integrates smoothly with Google accounts. Samsung Wallet excels for users fully invested in the Samsung ecosystem, offering device-specific security features and a unified platform for payments, digital keys, and memberships. It delivers a smooth experience on Samsung devices but lacks compatibility with other brands. GPay stands out for its universal availability across Android and iOS, making it the go-to option for users with multiple device types or those who prefer Google's broad service integration. While Samsung Wallet offers stronger hardware-level security, GPay provides greater flexibility and ease of use across platforms. For example, a Samsung user benefits from Samsung Wallet's advanced biometric options, while an Android user with non-Samsung devices or an iPhone owner gains more convenience with GPay. The trade-off comes down to ecosystem commitment versus cross-platform versatility. Choose Samsung Wallet if you own a Samsung device and want the most integrated, secure mobile payment experience tailored to Samsung's ecosystem. Opt for GPay if you need a flexible payment app that works across various devices and platforms, paired with Google's extensive service integration. Both apps offer strong security and convenience, so your choice depends on your device preferences and ecosystem loyalty.